My final destination was the frontier of human knowledge, where we could solve millions upon millions of problems at once. In those 3.5 decades, I had a 3-year-long stopover as a 12-year-old refugee that lived in refugee camps in Biafra. I had a 6-month-long stopover as a 14-year-old soldier in the Biafran army. 1 in 15 Biafrans died during the 30-month-long Nigeria-Biafra War. I had a dozen stopovers in American cities between Corvallis, Oregon, where I began supercomputing on June 20, 1974, to Los Alamos, New Mexico, where I figured out how to compute across a new internet that is a new global network of 65,536 processors. I invented the technology on the 4th of July 1989. I visualized that small internet as my room-sized copy of the internet that encircles the planetary-sized Earth.